Hi, Miss Frost again. I'm here to teach you maths again today. So if I get the flip chart up, we can see that we're going to be looking at counting on using a number line today. But first of all, I want you to have a go at this cold task. Okay, so you'll need some paper and a pencil or a pen. Okay, and you'll need to look at this part-whole model to help you work out the number sentences. So you might want to pause the video for a moment while you have a go at that. Okay, good luck. Okay, hopefully you've had a go at that. So if you looked at the part-whole model, I'm hoping you've remembered that the 15 is the whole number, and when we're completing a number sentence for addition, that we put the whole number at the end, don't we? We don't begin with it, so we put it at the end, and we know then we add in the parts, so we can have 9 add 6 equals 15, but also we can do that the other way around because it doesn't matter which way the parts go, does it? Okay, so we could have 6 add 9 equals 15 too. Okay, well done if you got that right. Okay, so on to today's lesson. You can see here that we have got a box of sweets. Okay, we can't see the sweets, they're inside, but above we can see here the number 13, and it says in the box there are 13 sweets, and here are 3 more. How many is there all together? So we need to count on from 13. So first of all, do you remember what this might be called, this tool here that helps us to count? Have a think, or tell the person that you're sitting with. That's right, it's a number line, okay? So we're going to use this number line to count on from 13. So first of all, we need to find the number 13, okay? So you can either do this by counting all the way along to find the number 13. So we can do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? Or you could just go straight to the number 13 if you already know what it looks like, okay? So we've got number 13 there. We need to add 3 more, so we need to move 3 spaces. But just think about this. Do we move 3 spaces forward, or do we move 3 spaces backward when we're adding? Tell the person that you're sitting with, the adult that you're sitting with. Okay, yes, we move forwards because we're adding, aren't we? The numbers are getting bigger, so we need to add 3 to 13, okay? So we've got 13, we need to jump 3 spaces. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And we've landed on the number 16, okay? So we know that 13 sweets, add another 3 sweets, equals 16 sweets all together. Well done. Okay, let's have another go. Okay, so here we haven't got the number of cups to begin with, so we need to count them. So can you count along with me, please? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so let's pop that in the box. 1 and a 4. Okay, and then we need to add some more cups. How many cups do we have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we put 5 in this box. We've got 14 cups, add 5 cups equals. We need to find out how many we have all together. We've got the whole number at the end, okay? So let's start by finding 14 on the number line. Okay, this time I'm going to go across the number line and I want you to shout stop when we get to the number 14. Are you ready? Okay, so move across. Stop. Well done. There's number 14, 1 and a 4. Okay. Oh, there's the bell again. and we need to jump 5 spaces because we're adding, aren't we? So we need to move forward 5 spaces. Are you ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've landed on the number 19. 1 and a 9. So now we know that 14 cups add 5 cups equals 19, and we used our number line to help us work that out. Well done. Okay, let's have another go. We've got toy soldiers this time. Okay, so we need to find out the sum first, don't we? The numbers, and then they can help us use the number line. So we need to count how many toy soldiers we have here first. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we have 11 toy soldiers there. And then we're adding some more. How many more do we need to add? Let's find out. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got 11, add 4. Okay, we're going to write our answer in a moment, but first of all, we're going to use our number line. Okay, so let's find the number 11 on the number line. I'm going to come across. You shout when I get to the number 11. Tell me to stop. Stop. There, well done. We're at number 11, and we're adding 4. So remember, we're counting forwards, okay? 4 spaces. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've landed on the number 15. So now we know we have 15 toy soldiers all together. Well done. Okay, here we've got some trains. Okay, so we can count these ones, and that's quite easy because there's only 2, isn't there? 1, 2. So we can pop 2 in that box there. And then we have some more to count. So we have 2 trains and we need to add some more. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. We've got 12 trains here. Okay, so this time we need to start on the number line at the number 2. Okay, there's the number 2. And we need to count on 12. So we've got to add 12. So we're jumping quite a few spaces this time. Okay, are you ready? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we've landed on the number 14. 1 and a 4. So we know now that the 2 trains add 12 more trains equals 14 trains altogether. Okay. Now, this is the part where we have a guided practice, because this is how your questions are going to look in a moment, okay? You're going to have the pictures of the items that you're adding. You're going to have the number sentence underneath to help you and the number line. So if I just go through this with you to show you what to do first, and then I'll put up the rest of the questions for you to have a go at, okay? So let's do this together. So we've got some footballs here. We need to find out how many footballs we've got in this group first, don't we? Okay, and then add how many more. So let's count this group first. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 footballs here. Okay, and then we're adding 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we know that our number sentence is 12 add 3. So we need to find 12 on our number line. I'm going to go across, shout stop when we get to the number 12. Stop, here's number 12. And we're adding 3 more footballs. So 3 more spaces. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. And we've landed on the number 15. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So you need to count the the 2 parts first, don't you? 1 set of footballs, then add and count the next set of footballs to find out how many you have all together. Okay, so these are the questions that I want you to have a go at. This is where you might want to pause so that you can count the cakes and the cars on the screen. So you can count them and then write down your number sentence on a piece of paper. Okay, and then use the number line to help you count on. So you can point to the screen with your finger to do this. Okay, so you might want to pause this at the moment and have a go at doing these number problems. Okay, once you've done that, you can move on to the next page and have a go at these 2. Okay, same thing, counting the shapes, writing the number sentence, and then using the number line to help you find out the total. Okay, good luck with that, and if you could send your answers in on your piece of paper to the Year 1 web email address, that would be lovely. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Bye.